What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to this Facebook Live, eventually on YouTube. All right. So I know y'all looking at this. Yep, y'all definitely looking at the game Tic Tac Total. Okay, got this in the mail today. Yes indeed. Okay, some of y'all watched it on YouTube already, and it's gonna go again on YouTube. You understand? So here we go. Y'all ready? Let's take all this stuff off. Okay. All right. All right. Probably gonna go into story mode or whatever, Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. All right. I'll try not to break these off because we we lost it in Hurricane Katrina, you know. So yeah, have a little problem with it, you know. I have a little problem with this thing, Uh-huh. Yep. So pretty soon I'm gonna be moving in a new house next year. Y'all ready? Here we go. All right. So about to press one player once again. If y'all all right, once again, let's cut off the lights. All right. So about to get started, okay? Now where this goes. All right. I'm next. All right, where this goes? Probably over here. All right, so here we go. Them lights are supposed to be bright, The reason why it's not like that because I only have 3 batteries and it takes 4, you know. All right. Want to block me? Oh no, this fool ain't gonna block me. Okay, here we go. All right. All right, right here. Oh, right here. Probably block me. All right. Oh, it's right here. All right. Let's see. I don't know because I don't have the bright one, Oh, it's right here. All right, check this out, y'all. All right. Okay. I guess O gonna win again, huh, y'all? All right, here we go. All right, here we go. All right. All right. So, oh yeah, my friend Sherelle say hello. Hey, Sherelle. Look what came in the mail. Yeah, what else came in the mail for Domino? Nothing else. Okay. Yeah, this wasn't supposed to blank like that, because what's this? Sherelle asks. This is Tic Tac Total. Okay, in case y'all watching this on. My friend Shirai asks, what's that? What's this? This is tic-tac-toe. All right. Let's see if this fool gonna block me again. Uh-oh, the fool blocked me. Okay. For I guess I have to go where the cookies crumble. Okay, the cookies ain't gonna crumble here. Okay. Oh, that sucker got me. He won again. Okay. I'm talking about the house, you know. Okay. Well. I'll just go right here. Well, I lost. Okay. All right. Okay, now press the score button. Let's put the light on. Oh, man. Oh, here we go. All right. Mm-hmm. I lost. All right. I lost, y'all. Okay. Well, that's how you play tic-tac-toe. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, excuse me. Ladies and gentlemen, my mama bought this for us in 1998. You know, look at the thing again. Tic tac toe. Okay. All right. Thank y'all for watching this. All right. I enjoy it. Okay. All right.